Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has quickly become a favorite for families everywhere. If you're looking for a fun and versatile cooking appliance, then the Multimaker mini system might just be the best mini waffle maker for kids. This delightful device not only makes breakfast a breeze but also brings a touch of creativity to the kitchen. The Multimaker mini system is a 4-in-1 waffle maker featuring 6 removable plates that allow you to whip up everything from classic waffles to whimsical unicorn and dinosaur shapes. Whether you're cooking for your kids or just want to indulge your inner child, this little powerhouse does it all. With its compact size, measuring just 6.9 inches deep, 5 inches wide, and 4.1 inches high, it's perfect for small kitchens or for anyone who values space efficiency. One of the standout features of this mini waffle maker is its vibrant aqua color, which adds a pop of fun to your kitchen decor. The removable plates are made from high-quality aluminum and feature a non-stick surface, ensuring that your waffles come out perfectly every time and making cleanup a breeze. You can choose from 2 classic waffle plates, a unicorn plate, a dinosaur plate, and 2 griddle plates, giving you plenty of options for whatever mood strikes you. What's truly remarkable is how easy this appliance is to use. Simply plug it in, pour in your batter, and wait for the built-in indicator light to notify you when it's ready. The easy-to-use handle and non-slip feet provide added safety, which is especially important when you have kids involved in the cooking process. Cooking with the Multimaker is a delightful experience. The 4-inch size of the waffles makes them perfect for little hands, and the fun shapes will have your kids excited for breakfast or a snack. You can even use the griddle plates to cook eggs, sausages, and other breakfast favorites, making it a truly versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. The non-stick surface not only makes cooking easier but also means that your waffles will come out intact and beautiful. Parents will appreciate the ease of cleanup, as the removable plates are dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup a quick task rather than a chore. What sets the Multimaker apart is the joy it brings to the kitchen. Kids love being involved in cooking, and this mini waffle maker encourages that. You can get creative with your recipes, experimenting with different batters and toppings. Imagine hosting a fun breakfast party where everyone can customize their waffles with a variety of toppings, from fruit to whipped cream. In summary, the Multimaker mini system is an excellent investment for families looking to make mealtime more enjoyable and engaging for their kids. Its combination of fun designs, ease of use, and versatility makes it the best mini waffle maker for kids. If you're ready to add some excitement to your breakfast routine, this waffle maker is a fantastic choice. Thanks for joining me today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews that make your life easier and more enjoyable.